Guys, I just opened a new package from Alana Mitchell Skincare. This time they sent me the 4-in-1 cleansing sponge, so I'm going to try that out for you guys today. But if you don't remember, this is the same brand that I did the peeling mask that you guys love. These are going to be perfect for busy moms because you can just throw this in your bag if you're traveling, and it's good for 2 to 5 applications. So I'm going to take you guys through using the 4-in-1 cleansing sponge. We're going to pull it from this side to open, and then inside is this little round sponge. We're just going to dampen it and get it a little bit wet. And then you can really feel the stuff starting to activate. So the sponge grows into like this little ball. Once you get it wet, it's just kind of damp, but you can squeeze it and see everything coming out. And then you're just going to take it and do like circular motions like this to cleanse your face, and it feels amazing. Here's what it looks like on. Then you can either rinse it off or you can leave it on as a mask for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off and let you guys know how it feels, but that sponge like gently exfoliates and it feels amazing. Okay, my face feels super clean, very, very exfoliated, and it just feels like bright and fresh. Alana Mitchell Skincare is offering you guys an exclusive discount at this link. All you have to do is swipe up to get the discount. Once you swipe up, this is an exclusive discount for you guys. So you can get 15% off 2 sponges, which is only $10. This is a great deal. Or if you wanted to include the masks that I used last time, that is that one. And then, or you can get everything in the top sellers kit for 50% off. So you're getting 4 cleansing sponges that I just used, the 2 peel off masks that I used last time, and then you're also getting a serum and a vitamin C moisturizer for $67. It's amazing.